Sunday, June 20th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Light work today. I'll simply do a moisture check in the mulch bed. I also want to inform you that the white marble chips, they'll probably be gone after this year. I don't like how they fade. When the white petals dry on them, they turn yellow. I'm thinking about replacing them with red mulch. Oh yeah, I got a graduate. Congratulations to the kid. I'm getting old. Don't worry about this stuff here. I'm going to get it up. Don't worry about it. You know I won't leave it like this. In addition, I'm going to add lawn fungus care to this area. I want to get the brown out, turn it green again. I hope it helps. I won't give up on it. You should know my style by now. So everybody, hang tight. I think the BioAdvanced Fungus Control can help. Folks recommended that I use the Scott's Disease X, but since I have this, I'll use it. I think I used it in the front yard before, but the problem is much more difficult. I think the water just simply can't penetrate the soil. I even used a pitchfork to see if it can go down any, and I just felt something hard, especially over here. You know, I know I use the lawn solutions, but I'm hoping that this stuff kills the fungus, cures it a bit, so the grass can green up somewhat. It's very embarrassing, and it's always in the same area, I notice. So might not be as simple as high temperatures. So let's figure this out together. Something funny, and I should have recorded it when I first took notice to it. The water kind of slides down. It's like it finds a hole and it comes out another hole in this area. It doesn't really penetrate the soil, and it's hard here. So eventually I'll dig it all up and turn it and do what I have to do, even over there. The reason why I won't do it now, it's just too hot. It's really muggy, sticky, nasty, and the ground is so hard. I'll be working double time, if you know what I mean. So I think it's best to just treat it, figure it out later. How do I know I have a real soil issue? Let's look over here. We see a bunch of rocks, correct? Okay. Now, grass blades still find their way in certain parts of your yard. They don't need a lot of moisture, folks, to grow, okay? We got hot, dry rocks. Now over here, you have a section that gets watered, fertilized, and treated, but it's still brown. Something's wrong. My advice, follow the directions carefully. I hope you don't need this stuff. I really want you to have green, thick, healthy lawns. If not, give something to try, anything. I'm tired of this brown. It has to go. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. Let me start on the full set. You know what? This is a little too thick and narrow. I'll start over there. I'll just change the settings on this. This is more like it. Use the shower setting. Water it in real good. Oh yeah. Now look, everyone. See how the water comes down, just fills up near the edge? Shouldn't that be going down and creating moisture for the soil so that the roots will chase the water? That's not happening here. Now this spot, it gets moist and it's not as compacted, but it still seems to be a fungus here. So I gotta address it. Before I add water to this area, I'll get my moisture meter and check the plants. I water the lilies the same, the creeping phlox the same, and the plants with the white petals the same. The petunias are great. They get a Whitley thumbs up. Okay, I'll start with the creeping flux. Doesn't look good. I know I have a moisture stick in the ground, but I like using the meter. It's like measuring twice, cutting once. Oh, this isn't good. It's dry. Sorry about that. All right, let's check the plant with the white petals. Still don't know the name, but I'm sure there's an app I can use to figure it out. All right, what's the level here? 7, 6, something, 7.3, 6.8. That's moist. Okay, I can live with this. I don't want to overwater and create root rot. That's another issue I'm having. All right, let's come over here. Check the lilies. Really like them. They look great. But when they bloom, the petals wither away unless it's something that I'm doing wrong. All right, what do we have here? Okay, 8 point something. That's moist. I like it. No need to water. So let's check the stick and see the stick is still green. So yes, I believe the meter is correct and is consistent with the stick. Special shout out to the 2021 graduates and the 2020 graduates. They went through a lot and helped us figure things out this year. Happy Father's Day. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.